So hello everyone, today we are going to see a very interesting problem which is basically delete node in a linked list. In the problem you are given a linked list, but you will not be given the head of that linked list, you will be given any of that particular node of that particular linked list and you have to delete that node. So let's suppose the linked list is like this 4519 and here the address of that node 5 is given to you and you have to delete node 5. Now, how we can just go and solve this problem? Let's see. If you are given the address of that node 5 and you have to delete that particular node, then as we know how we can delete a particular node, we have to go to the previous node and pointing the next of that previous node to the next. That's how we can break this chain and that particular node will be deleted from that linked list. But here the twist is that you are given only this address, you are not given the access of the head. So as it's a singly linked list, so we cannot traverse to the previous node. So how we can just go and solve this problem? For that, uh, a small trick is there. Basically you cannot delete this node, so rather than deleting this node, what you can do is that you can just swap the values. So you just copy this 1 from here to here and replace the 5 with 1. Now you can just delete this particular node, so pointing this next to the next, so this link will be created and this link will be break and this node will be discarded from the linked list. So at the very end, this link, the answer will be 419, what we need. Okay, so you have to basically swap the values. Here you are deleting the values, not the node, because you cannot delete a node without having the access of the previous node address. So here you are deleting the values only. So this is the basic twist of this problem. So the code is pretty simple and self-explanatory, that you have to first swap the values, I mean copy this value to this value, and then you have to just cut the link and create a new link. That's how these two lines of code is the solution of this particular problem. Hope you understand this solution and hit the subscribe button and do like this channel as well.